Hello everyone, I'm here to talk about the difference between organic farming and chemical farming. Organic farming means using nature whenever possible, while chemical farming, also called conventional farming, use synthetic chemicals as pesticides and fertilizers. First, let's look at the different stages in farming. The very first step is preparing the land by plowing, adding manure and fertilizers. Plantation is the second step, which is sowing the seeds and baby plants. Then provide water to the farmland. Pest control. Pests are the insects that damage the crop and they need to be controlled. Weed control, which is unwanted plants grow in the farmlands and they need to be controlled. And finally, gather the crop, which is the crop harvest. Now let's see how chemicals come in play during these different stages. While preparing the land, chemical fertilizers get added to the land. Seeds that are treated with chemicals are sowed. Liquid chemicals could be added to the water pipelines at the time of irrigation. Chemical pesticides are used to control the pest. Likewise, chemical herbicides are used to control the weed. And finally, after the harvest, chemicals are used to ripen the fruits and vegetables, and also they are used as preservatives. Now, how does chemicals affect us? Chemicals leave toxins into the food products, causing food poisoning. These toxins are also added to soil and cause soil erosion. Chemical farming help increase in greenhouse gases, contributing to global warming. Air and water are polluted and reduce bird, insect, and other wildlife population, or in other words, it affects the entire ecosystem. Finally, farmers have to spend more money on chemicals as fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides. Now, how to use organic methods instead of chemicals? During preparation of land, one can add animal manure and compost, use organic seeds, use liquid manure instead of chemicals, use crop rotation, insect traps, and attract natural predators. And for example, birds could be attracted by building some bird houses within the farmland. Weed could be controlled by mowing, cutting, and mulching them. And finally, after the crop is harvested, proper sanitation and natural disinfectants can be used to save the crop. Now, what are the benefits that we see with organic farming? Organic food is often fresher and tastes natural and keeps the nutrition. No toxins are added to the food, so no food poisoning. No toxins are added to soil, air, or water. Helps reduce greenhouse gases and help to fight the global warming. Since everything is natural, ecosystem will love it. And also, farmers will save money since they can use mostly what's available in the farm itself. Now let's see what's happening in India. Kerala, the state of Kerala is converting to fully organic state, and they are targeting 2016 to complete that. Likewise, Sikkim is also going organic. Let's take a quick tour of an organic mango farm. I have a little helper here who's helping me with the pruning. There are some flowering and fruit stages that I'm going to show you here. What you're seeing are a couple of varieties of mangoes, and that's why the difference in sizes and shapes. Now, there are a lot of uninvited friends within the farm that I see, and they love to be there since it is all natural. They also give me a nice pose so that I can take a photo. Aren't they cool? And finally, if you would like to see me, this is how I look during the hot summer day with lots and lots of sunscreen. If you have any questions, please list them. Thank you all for listening. And if you have any questions, please list them and send it my way, and I'll be happy to answer.